Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the chapter. Yesterday we have started the new chapter of your civics book, Democracy in the Contemporary World. So here, as we have discussed, there were two tales of democracy is given. Let's read that. Workers of my homeland, I have faith in Chile and its future. Chileans will overcome this dark and bitter moment when treason become dominant. You must never forget that sooner rather than later the grand avenues will be opened, where free man will march on to build a better society. Long live Chile, long live the people, long live the workers. These are my last words, and I have certainly that my sacrifice will not be in vain. I have certainty that, or at the least, I will be a moral lesson to castigate felony, cowardice, and treason. So now these are the words. You can say this is the speech. Some extracts from the last speech of the Salvador Allende. He was then the president of Chile, a country in South America. The speech was given on the morning of 11 September 1973, the day his government was overthrown by the military. Now, these are some words, these are the short speech which was given by the Salvador Allende, who was the president of Chile at that time. So, Allende was the founder, leader of Socialist Party of Chile and led the Popular Unity Coalition to the victory in the presidential election in 1970. After being elected the president, he had taken several policy decisions to help the poor and the workers. These included reform of the educational system, free milk for children, and redistribution of land to the landless farmers. He was opposed to foreign companies taking away natural resources like copper from the country. The landlord, the rich, and the church opposed his policies. Some other political parties in Chile also opposed this government. So basically, this is given about the Chile and what the president has done in their country. So now you just read the story again, and the next is the military coup of 1973. This is also a story. By reading this story, you just come to know that what was the story and what struggle they have done for get their country democratic, and rest we will discuss the further topics after this. Firstly, you read the story. It is on this page number 4. Complete this, read it again from starting, and then you will clear this. After reading this story, we will discuss the features of democracy. So read it and just find out the concept of democracy.